Healthy food recipes to lose weight. Breakfast. Have you heard the saying that breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Well, it is true, because among many reasons, it provides you with the energy you need to start your day right. In this video, I will share with you some healthy breakfast meals and recipes to help you start your day right and help you lose weight in the process. When you're trying to lose weight, what you have for breakfast can make a huge difference in achieving your goals. When you choose the right foods, you won't just nourish your body with the energy it needs to support you throughout your day, but will do so in a way that supports your weight loss goals. To make sure that you start your day with a weight loss-friendly meal, try these healthy breakfast recipes to lose weight. Onion and tomato omelet. Eggs are excellent for breakfast because they're high in protein and rich in essential vitamins and minerals. According to a randomized controlled trial published by the International Journal of Obesity in 2008, having eggs for breakfast enhances the effects of weight loss programs. Adding vegetables like onions and tomatoes makes them tastier without too many additional calories. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 onion chopped, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes sliced, 1/4 cup fresh basil, salt and pepper to taste. Procedure: beat your eggs, season with salt and pepper, and set aside. Heat olive oil in a pan and sauté the onions. Add the cherry tomatoes and cook until tender. Set aside onions and tomatoes. Pour the eggs into the pan and cook in medium heat. Tilt the pan to make sure the eggs fill up the spaces. When the egg is nearly cooked, place the onions and tomatoes on one side of the omelet. Add the basil on top. When the basil looks slightly wilted, fold the empty half of the omelet over the other. Slide the omelet onto a plate for serving. Banana almond oatmeal. Oatmeal beats most breakfast cereals because it offers excellent health benefits. Apart from boosting your dietary fiber and lowering cholesterol, it has also been known to aid in weight loss. According to a randomized control trial featured by the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, eating oatmeal allows you to lose weight because it helps you control your appetite and feel fuller for longer. Adding fruits and nuts will boost your breakfast's nutrient content, not to mention its taste. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 cup milk, or your choice of vegan milk, 1 small ripe banana, half smashed, half sliced into rounds, 1 tablespoon honey, or your choice of sweetener, 1 tablespoon slivered almonds. Procedure: in a small saucepan, add milk, honey, and mashed banana. Stir until boiling. Add the oats and simmer at medium-low heat until thoroughly cooked. Transfer into a bowl and top with banana rounds and slivered almonds. Greek yogurt pina colada. Greek yogurt is the perfect food to eat for breakfast because it is rich in probiotics that will improve your gut health and make you better able to lose weight. Plus, it's rich in vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients, including vitamin B12, potassium, and iodine. It also goes with a variety of healthy toppings, so that you can enjoy it in unlimited ways. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup fresh pineapple chunks, 1 tablespoon toasted coconut, 2 tablespoons roasted macadamia nuts. Procedure: add all ingredients in a bowl. Stir to combine. Enjoy. These healthy breakfast recipes to lose weight will help you jumpstart the day and prime your body for weight loss. Plus, they're so tasty and enjoyable that you don't feel like you're on a diet at all. Follow these recipes and use them to inspire ideas for similarly healthy meals that will fuel you throughout the day and help you get in shape. Following our study references we used to create this recipe plan. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.